Yes, US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said the economic recovery is going to take a long time. He said the outlook for the US economy is still uncertain. Basically said that he's going to be keeping interest rates at hold on record lows for the long term. He also is committed to buying $120 billion worth of government bonds every month. He said the pace of economic recovery has moderated in recent months and there's weakness concentrated in sectors most adversely affected by COVID. So these comments did spook the markets on Wall Street a bit. Dow Jones fell about 2%, S&P 500 and NASDAQ both dropped about 2.7% overnight. But it is worth noting that US markets have been at record highs and even a drop of between 2 and 3%. Markets are still back at levels they were just in early January. So it's not terrible news. It is a big fall, though, the biggest fall since October. Local market today, it is down. The ASX 200 is down about 1.8%, and two of the biggest losers this morning, Afterpay and Fortescue Metals, they're both down about 4% each.
Yeah, some decent drops there. Meanwhile, Rio Tinto, of course, a big change to the executive team after what was described as a disgraceful action on those Indigenous caves, destroying this site. So a new executive team announced?
New executive team. This also a new chief executive was announced recently. This is his first move as CEO. Jacob Stousham has created a new role, CEO of Australia, and this is to help alleviate concerns from Treasurer Josh Frydenberg that Rio Tinto did not have enough executives based in Australia, the region really responsible for creating a majority of its profits through iron ore mining. So Kelly Parker, she will be the CEO of the Australia division. She joined Rio in 2001. And Simon Trott, he'll be the CEO of Rio Tinto's iron ore division. He joined Rio in 2000. There are 13 members of Rio Tinto's executive team. 8 of them will be based in London, 1 in Perth, 1 in Melbourne, 1 in Brisbane, 1 in Singapore and 1 in Montreal. And 6 members of the executive committee do hold Australian passports. So it's worth watching Rio Tinto as well today because the iron ore companies have been on a downwards trend the last couple of days just due to the fluctuating price.